Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll discuss about class and object in Python. So let's discuss that is class and object in Python. Class and object in Python. So what is class? So class, as we know that class is a blueprint of object. Class is blueprint of object. So we can define the rules and regulation in the class which is implemented by the object. In the programming sense, class is logical entity. What? Logical entity. Class is logical entity which class is logical entity. Class is logical entity which binds what? Properties, data and function all together. And if we talk about object, so object is the implementation, we can say physical implementation of class. So this is actually exist. So class is a logical entity which binds properties, data and functions all together, whatever in the class. Okay. And object is a physical implementation of class. This is actually exist. So we can say blueprint of object. What? Blueprint of object. Okay. So now we'll take one example. Let's suppose. So as we know, class is a keyword. Class, EMP, class employee, and we have to take care indentation. So employee, and we'll create variable that is name equals to VDS, and what? ID, name and ID equals to 100. Okay. Now we'll define one function. DEF function is, let's suppose, display, and here we write self. We know that self is a keyword which referenced itself in Python. Okay. Now so we'll print this one, print, and what will print? Name and ID. So self dot name comma self dot ID, and after that we'll create the object of this class. So E equals to EMP. This is the object created, and with the help of object reference E, we can access member of the class. Okay. So like E dot display, 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 and simply we execute this one. So this is the basic basic implementation of class and object. So let's open the PyCharm. Okay. So I have created here, see, class employee, name BDS, ID 100, and define one method display self, print self dot name and self dot ID, and then we create one object. This is the object, and after that we access through a reference object, reference of access through reference of object. Okay. So if we run this one, class and object, see, VDS and 100. Okay, so this is the basic implementation of class and object. Okay, so far we have discussed what is class, what is object, and this is the basic implementation, basic example of class and object. So that's all about in this video. So if you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and yes, click on the bell icon so that you can get instant update. So thank you. Thanks a lot.